I drew my inspiration from Pinterest, and these are absolutely beautiful, but I had to put my own spin on it and work with what I had. I'm going to take these frames that I got at Ross. They were $4.99 each. I mean, you can kind of take the idea. You don't have to use anything identical to this. You guys could always use picture frames. I'm sure if you go to a thrift store or something like that, you might be able to find something similar. I'm sure you guys could probably find some stuff at the Dollar Tree that would kind of work. There's really not much gold in this room, so I'm not going to keep them like this. I am going to paint them. For the other pieces of that frame, I went to Walmart and bought these initials. I think these were like $1.40 or something like that. I also bought this marble liner at Walmart. I think this was like $4 or $5. So I'm just gonna take a piece of that liner and I'm gonna line this cork board because I don't want that color. And right now, what I'm gonna do is go spray paint these pink, the same color that I painted the frames. And so I'm gonna do that real quick. That way it dries by the time I'm done with this. Right, so there's a grid on the back where it has like the inches. I measured this out and I'm gonna need an 11 by 8 piece. 9, 10, 11. I'm just gonna do 12 just in case. There's enough to cover that space. And I'm gonna gently take off the backing to this. And I'm gonna try to put it on there as smoothly as I can, but there are some little like ridges on it, so it may not be as smooth as I'd like, but we'll try to get it there. I'm gonna take my probably my X-Acto knife and cut along the edges here. And then I'm just gonna fold that little extra strip over and try to get it to stick to the side, but we'll see if that works. Okay, so the liner's on there. Now I'm gonna take my frame, flip it over, and start putting this backing on there. Alright, so after that, I'm just going to go ahead and tighten these little tabs on the back. Look how pretty that looks. I'm going to take my letters and I'm just going to find a good spot. Make sure that your hanger is towards the top. Obviously, you don't want to put this upside down. And I'm going to use both E6000 glue and some hot glue to get that right in there. And I'm just gonna put it on the wide parts because I don't want it to like seep out on the sides. And have I mentioned how much I hate E6000 glue tubes? They seriously make me upset. I started adding flowers, but at this point I didn't really like how it was looking. I thought that instead of blending in with my mobile, that it was going to clash. So I withheld the flowers for now. I may change my mind later, but if you guys like the look with the flowers, you're more than welcome to add that. For now, this is what I have.
This was a really quick and simple DIY. It looks beautiful in my baby girl's nursery, and I can't wait to show you guys once I'm finished with it all. For right now, I really truly hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave your comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.